Here we have the interrupting expression rule. So make sure you're writing down interrupting expression. And then the definition, you can write down yours or my own again. The definition for me would be you're separating the expression from the rest of the sentence using commas. And the expression that you'll notice here that you guys use sometimes is my bad. The other ones you might not notice as easily. So for number one, it says, oh, my bad, I didn't realize you were there. I can pull out the my bad, and the sentence still makes perfect sense without it. I can just say, oh, I didn't realize you were there. So because I'm not pulling out my bad, I'm surrounding it in commas to let you know that that's an expression that's in there that I don't necessarily need. Now the test that you guys need to do for this, and we'll go down to number 4. Cursor down there. If I said I am, as you have probably noticed, very nervous about this. Again, I can pull that expression, as you have probably noticed, out, and the sentence still makes complete sense without it. Okay? If I accidentally put my commas in the wrong place and I put them up here, so instead of in front of the as, I'm putting it behind the as, I have to make sure I'm reading that sentence aloud to myself, because this is how I'm going to catch if I screwed up where I'm putting the commas. So if I said, I am as very nervous about this, I am as very nervous about this doesn't really make sense, okay? So I know that I've placed my comma in the wrong place, because if I'm pulling that section out that's in between those commas, I'm only pulling out the you have probably noticed. Another good example would be down here for number 5. If I said, again, if I'm just going to put the comma here just because it's the easiest right now. If I just put the comma in front of luck instead of in front of the as right here, okay, pretend I crossed that out. I'm going to say, this issue as brings a challenge to our school. Again, makes no sense. So that's my identification to myself that I've put the comma in the wrong place, or at least one of them, if not both of them, in the wrong place. Because what it's telling me is that in between those commas, I'm just pulling out luck would have it, and I'm leaving that as there. Okay? So just to test yourself, when you place your commas in these situations, just read that sentence back to yourself and make sure it still makes sense if you're pulling that section out. And if it does, you're good to go. If it doesn't, you got something to fix.